Conversation. Talking about using articles a, an, the. Situation. Sophia and Daniel are in a bookstore, looking for books and discussing different items around them. As they talk, they naturally use the articles a, an, and the to refer to things they see. Hi, Daniel. This bookstore has so many books. I feel excited just being here.
I know. I love bookstores. I can spend hours looking for a good book to read.
Me too. Oh, look. There is a book about space exploration. I love reading about planets and astronauts.
That sounds interesting. But I think I want to find a novel. I enjoy reading mystery stories.
Oh, here's an interesting mystery novel. It has great reviews.
Let me see. Oh yes, this is an amazing book. I have read another book by the same author.
That's great. I think I will buy this space book. By the way, do you see the cashier? I want to ask about a discount.
Yes, the cashier is over there, near the entrance. But I think there is a customer talking to him right now.
Okay, I will wait. Oh, look at this table. There is an old newspaper from 1950.
Wow, that's so cool. The newspaper looks very old, but it's well preserved.
Yes, I love reading historical documents. They tell us a lot about the past.
That's true. Oh, I just remembered. I need to buy a pen and a notebook for my new writing class.
Great. Let's go to the stationery section. They have many types of pens. Do you need a specific kind?
Yes, I need a black pen with smooth ink, and I also need a small notebook.
Oh, here's a black pen, and next to it, there's an orange notebook. Do you like it?
I prefer a blue one. Oh, here's a blue notebook. This is perfect.
Great. Now we both have what we need. Let's go to the cashier.
Good idea. I hope they have a discount today.
Me too. Let's find out. Grammar focus. Using articles a, an, the. 1. A and an, indefinite articles. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Example, I saw a book on the table. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u. Example, she found an interesting novel. The, definite article. We use the when talking about a specific thing that both people know. Example, where is the cashier? There is only one cashier in the store. We also use the when something has been mentioned before. Example, I saw a cat. The cat was sleeping.